And I love you and your husband and your children.
Love you too. Good morning. Good morning, guys. Mother-in-law is in the house. Do you want more coffee? Do you want more coffee? There. Say hi. Wave your hands. Mother-in-law is in the house kasi naglipat ng gamit niya doon sa resort. Kakasabi lang niya, guys. Punta daw siya sa bahay niya. Tignan daw niya kung ano yung pinagkukuha ng mga tao doon sa bahay niya. Andun naman yung ano niya, guys, anak niya. Don't worry, your house is safe. Are you worried? Are you worried about your house?
Probably, I don't know.
Claudia is there. Claudia, your daughter.
That's not necessarily a comfort.
Why? Why?
Why? Or just the way she thinks. And,
Claudia loves you. Don't you know that? She's your daughter. I have something for you. I have something for you to make you happy. Here. Ito, guys, this makes her happy.
who?
You! This is for you! Buksan natin, guys. Ooh, you remember?
Really?
You can get 10 pieces, whatever you want, you can have it.
Look at the different
I
colors.
know.
Yeah.
Yes.
She does it. They do nice work.
Uh-huh.
Let's see.
Look at this, guys. Favorite to ni Grandma. Come on. That one. This is yours. Yep. Here, coffee. Yeah. Okay, I'll get one too. Can I have?
Two whole. Or three.
Mm-hmm. Eeny, miny, mo. Which one you want? Okay.
Mm.
It's
Really
good.
good.
Uh-huh. That's your favorite.
The C's is my favorite.
May ubi na sila, guys. Look. First time they have taro. I'll go get my coffee. I'll turn it on the lights. See? Alam ko yung weakness ninyo. Ay yung makapagpa-happy sa kanya. Chocolate! And coffee.
I thought maybe he was hiding.
Who, Brian? Brian went to the grocery. He went to the grocery store. Kakape kami, guys. Nalungkot yung matanda. More chocolates! More! Magpakalasing kami ngayon kasi kailangan niya talaga ng something sweet to make her happy kasi naiiyak-iyak na siya, guys. Why are you crying? It's Christmas! It's Christmas! Christmas coming!
Pisag na. Sarap? Sita na. Mama. I don't know. Let it.
And I love you and your husband and your children.
Love you too. Why are you crying, Mom? Why are you crying? What's it? I hold it nicely. Hi guys! Gabi na dito. Getting ready na kami to go to Baba's Brianna's Christmas concert. Ano lang naman yan guys, nasa mga 25 minutes. Like, are you ready?
Yeah.
And kunin ko na yung shoes natin. And then si Liam. Look at Liam. Unsa man ang gibuhat na? Say hi. Oh. Come on, let's go. Ano lang kami, mag-order lang kami, kakain kami ng dinner. Mamaya pagbalik namin, order lang sa, ano guys, magpa-deliver lang kami ng food. I-off natin yung Christmas tree natin. Ayan, naka-off na siya. Then yung outfit natin guys, ayan. You don't want to wear your jacket?
Nah.
No?
She saw that already, but you're bringing that, right?
We'll leave it here, we'll bring it in, we'll give it.
No, you give it to
Ah,
me.
okay. She saw it already?
She did. Well, she walked back. She was asking about flowers. The next thing I know, she walks back here. So,
Okay.
yes, I'm assuming she saw it.
Okay. Flowers namin, bigay namin sa kanya mamaya.
It'll be warm enough inside that place. I don't need a jacket. That's for. Yeah, she's gonna see it.
Yeah, that's fine.
That's okay.
Why it's always my shoes is,
Huh?
I was told it's perfect, now it's loose.
You thought what?
I feel like my shoes is loose. Are you ready?
It's supposed to be kind of a surprise.
I know, but we don't have
She saw them already. I think. Get ya?
a place to.
What thing? Mommy got flowers.
I saw you walk back into the utility room. I think you saw them. It's okay.
What? Mommy got you flowers.
You're just the ones who you were talking about.
Okay. Say hi, handsome driver.
Oh. Oh, I thought that was your eye was red.
Hi guys! Continuation to ng vlog natin kahapon. After ng concert nila Brianna, umuwi kami. And then, hindi rin ako nakapag-video ng concert nila guys kasi mga bata naman yun. And, alam nyo na, bawal dito ang mga mag-video-video ka na may mga bata kasi baka maanuhan ka ng mga parents. Hindi rin ako nag-video kasi may sarili silang may kumuha ng videos from the school na isi-send lang nila sa parents. So, hindi na rin ako kumuha, guys. So, ito, ano tayo doon sa yung kay grandma, and hindi nga siya masaya guys kasi akala niya dadalhin yung mga gamit niya sa storage, and then hindi niya daw makikita yung mga gamit niya. Sabi ko naman hindi, kasi yung mga gamit na i-move ng mga movers, kasama mo yun, magiging kasama mo yun sa bagong tirahan mo sa resorts. And then yun nga, hinatid siya ni Mr. kahapon sa bahay kasi ayokong ako yung maghatid. So hinatid siya doon ni Mr. Tas yun, I think nag-spend ng 1 hour si Mr. doon sa bahay niya. So yun, nag-usap sila, and then inano niya nga, in-explain niya sa mama niya kung bakit niya kailangang lumipat. At dahil nga din sa sa sitwasyon ni mother-in-law na hindi na nga hindi na nagpa-function talaga yung brain niya. Kasi nga na yun, malala yung Alzheimer niya guys. Kahit sigurong explain ng mga anak niya nga na hindi namin gustong ilipat ka, hindi namin gustong ilagay ka doon, pero wala kaming choice. Para na rin sa ikabubuti niya ba guys, para magiging safe siya. Kaysa naman hayaan lang siya mag-stay sa bahay niya, tapos baka mas lalong lumala yung sitwasyon, yung mag-wander na siya sa labas ng bahay or dito sa area namin. So yun, kaya kahit anong explain ng mga anak niya sa kanya, hindi niya na talaga mag-gets guys. Naiintindihan man niya in a seconds or in a minute, and then mawawala sa isip niya guys. Iba na naman yung niya, yung nasa isip niya. So yun, kahapon umuwi dito si Mr. talagang nag-breakdown si Mr. guys. Umiyak talaga siya kasi naawa siya sa nanay niya. Hindi ko maano si Mr. kasi ang mga lalaki talaga na anak mas close sila sa nanay nila compare sa mga babae. Kasi yung mga babaeng anak mas close naman sa tatay nila. So, ngayon ko naiintindihan yung nanay ko, dati na ako sa nanay ko, naiinis ako. Kasi bakit mas favoritism. Laging sinasabi ng nanay ko, ay, hindi ko favorite yung, wala din siyang favorite, pero my favorite talaga my favorite talaga sila guys. Yung mga nanay, may mga soft spot sila sa mga anak na lalaki. And then yung mga tatay, may mga soft spot sila sa mga anak nila na babae. Ngayon ko naiintindihan na naging nanay na rin ako guys, na kasi si Liam marunong mag-ulog-ulog bitaw. Marunong mag-ulog-ulog si Liam, yung maglambing-lambing, at saka yung, ulog-ulog sa Tagalog? Basta marunong siya guys na kung may hingian siya, and then kung din, yung pag napapagalitan yan. Yan yung unang maglambing sa akin. Pero iba sila pag nag-aaway sila ni Mr. Si Mr. yung nanghihingi ng sorry sa kanya. Pero pag kaming nag-aaway guys, si Liam, siya yung unang nanghihingi ng sorry sa akin. Pero iba din ako kasi na-experience ko ng asanay ko na dati lagi kong kine-question ba sa tatay ko na bakit ba't lagi ako yung pinapagalitan? Ba't hindi kasali yung kapatid kong lalaki nga? Ang sagot naman ng nanay ko, kasi daw, mukulob daw mahayang akong kuya, lalaki daw. Pero pag ako daw mahayang, buros na daw ko, kay babae man ko. So, muray ko, yun yung ng mama ko, yun yung reason niya ba. So, inano ko sa dalawa kong anak, pag nagagalit ako sa kanila, guys. Pag nagagalit ako kay Brianna, sinasali ko si Liam talaga. Pag nagagalit din ako kay Liam, sinasali ko din si Brianna. Kaya sometimes, sabi ni Mr., bakit mo ba sinasali yung isa? Wala naman yung kasalanan. Ay, buti yung dalawa para, walang exempted sa kanila pag napapagalitan ko sila, guys. Or pag nag-aaway sila, tas napapalo ko sila, guys, walang exempted. Silang dalawa, napapalo ko talaga. So, yun, hanggang ngayon, pa rin si Mr. talagang siya ba, yung malungkot siya, and then kine-question niya yung sarili niya, tama ba itong ginagawa namin para sa mama namin, or kasi naaawa sa nanay niya, na ganyan na yung nagiging sitwasyon ng nanay niya ba, yun tataas nga yung buhay mo, magiging 92 something ka, tapos magiging ganyan ka na, magkakaroon ka ng Alzheimer, ay, mahirap, kasi siya ngayon, ang sa stage ngayon ni mother-in-law, yun yung siya, suicidal, yung sa bunganga niya, laging sana mamatay na ako. Parang ganun ba? Tapos, kahapon, yun nga yung before umuwi si Mr. dito, dumating yung kapatid niya na babae kasi naihatid niya yung mga gamit niya doon sa resort. So, bumalik yung kapatid kapatid ni Mr. na babae sa bahay niya. So, nandun silang tatlo. Ang sabi ng matanda, patayin niyo na lang ako. Sabi ng matanda. Sabi naman ng kapatid niyang babae, Mom, ayokong mag-Christmas sa jail. Ayokong makulong. Ganon yung niya ngayon, yung isip niya laging, ay, sana mamatay na lang ako. Kaya bigyan niyo ako ng something na para kitilin ko na yung buhay ko. Ganon siya, guys. Ganon yung niya ngayon, yung stage ng Alzheimer niya ngayon. Talagang kailangan niya talaga kailangan niya mag-stay sa safe na lugar. Hindi naman siya dito nga sa bahay namin. Kasi pag dito din siya, guys, like kahapon, dito siya nakaupo. Iyak siya ng iyak. Hindi ko maintindihan bakit siya umiyak ng 1 minute, okay siya. After seconds or few minutes or 5 minutes, ayan na naman, umiiyak na naman siya, guys. And then, yung nga, nung nagwa-worry siya sabi niya, is my cat, no, is my dog. Yung cat niya na, binibigkas niya, dog na, is my dog are okay? Are they still in my house? Sabi ko, no, your cat is still in your house. Yung isang, yung 4 yung pusa niya, yung madadala niya, guys, yung isa lang na pusa niya. So, yung 3 is, namin yung sa rescue yata, yung idadalhin doon para naman, safe din yung 3 niyang pusa, guys. So, yan. Yun yung update kay Grandma. So, bukas, dadalhin na namin siya sa resort. And then, ito nga, guys. Si Mr. umalis kasi bumili siya ng gifts ata ng mga bata pa. Kasi kulang pa tong mga gifts. May babalutin ako. Iyon. Hindi ko na ipapakita sa inyo kasi baka makikita nila. Baka sabihin ni Brianna, akala ko ba galing to kay Santa? Bakit nakita ko sa video mo na nagbabalot ka? So, hindi ko na ipapakita sa inyo, guys. Babalutin ko na to kasi I think after 40 minutes, darating na yung dalawa. So, bilisan ko to ng pagbalot. Hi, guys! Kakatapos ko lang magbalot. Buti, hindi nila ako naabutan. And wala silang paki sa binabalot ko kasi, eto, mga gutom. What do you got? What is that?
Hot dog
Can
and
I have that?
donut.
Why do you get donuts for Mama?
I got 2. I eat 1.
Where is for Mommy? Thank you.
I'm full with it.
Yum.
I'm full with it.
Let me have you.
Baba, here. Can you show them our elf? Baba, here.
That's for your friend.
I know, but can you show them the elf?
Ready.
Oh. What did they
Say
say?
hi.
Hi, guys.
Don't step on it.
Mom, I want to eat another one. Can I eat another one? Can I eat another one?
Donut?
Yeah.
What's that?
Yeah.
Mama, you have some. You have some?
I got
No, here.
Siyempre, maalat. Matamis. Kain tayo. Wala pa namin akong kain, guys. Thank you, yummy. Hindi ko alam saan yung kamay na yung galing. Basta, kinain ko na. Hindi ko alam if naghugas ba si Liam ng kamay o hindi. How's your day, guys?
Whoa.
Magligpit na ako. How's your day, Daddy?
Good. Success.
Success?
Yeah. Successful.
Are you
Ran
sure?
ran 6 miles, got a little bit of shopping done.
Are you sure?
Spent some time out on the side of the house doing some work. Doing hard work on the outside work. Right?
Okay, Liam, you got a lot of...
I guess you got some good
Strawberries
strawberries
here.
and grapes, Baba.
Let's
Look.
go!
Where are you going?
Today, we had 2 birthdays. I get it to eat fruit and a popsicle. So I'm not. No, that's not mine.
What's this?
Papa's
It tastes like,
What is it?
cherry.
I don't like the taste.
It's cherry.
Ano to? Galing to saan?
Someone help me! Ah, Mom!
Yeah, what's wrong?
Can you help me?
Magkakape ako, guys.
Mom!
I need coffee. Yes! Help you with what? Hala, you didn't finish your donuts.
Help me.
Hold on.
What is
Give me
this?
that. That is mine. Dali na ba? Ay, issues. Kuan o, kanang chismoy marites ba? Doon ako lipatan na. Okay, iham ng cord na kanihatag sa iha, guys. Okay, guys.
Let's try this.
Iko-close
We need to make that.
na namin
bring
yung
your,
vlog
this Friday, bring
namin,
those.
guys. And thank you so much for watching.
Mom.
Yes.
The book.
We'll get it tomorrow.
What is wrong with you?
Why? We'll get it tomorrow. And see you sa sunod na vlog namin. Bye-bye.
Mom.
Ah!
What? Get my book. And yes, it's from here.
Yes.